Good morning, class. Welcome back to our maths class with the revision of chapter 4. Children, in previous video, we also have done revision of chapter 4. Here also we are doing the revision of remaining part of chapter 4, that is pages from 36 to 39. Let's start. First of all, I will share the PDF. Yes, children, you can see that this is the revision sheet which is displayed on the screen now. We will start from the first question. The question is subtraction. It is very much, you are very much familiar with this subtraction. It is simple subtraction. The first question is the first part of first question, 6842. We will subtract 3421 from it. This is 1, 2, 4, 3. Next question. 2518 and 1501. We will subtract this. These are simple addition, children. You can see that there is no need to take borrow. 7 1 0 1. Next, 9507 4203. We will subtract this. 4 0 3 5. 5304. With this we have completed the first line. Now we will start next line. Here, children, you can see that fill in the blanks are given. We can fill the number as we have answer 624, and here it is 2 5 and one blank is here, and we have answer also. Here it is plus operator. The answer is 878. So children, as we have one blank here, we have one number. When we have one number and answer, we can get the other number. Here we have to find the other number. The other number is, in this way we can get that as we have answer 8 and the first number is 4. So we can find the second number by subtracting this 4 first number from the answer. 8 minus 4. We will subtract first number from the answer to get the second number. 8 minus 4, this is 4. So here it is 4. You can check the answer also. 4 plus 4 is 8. In the same way, we will do next part. 5, 3, it is blank. Then one more blank is here. The pattern is same, and 1. Here again there is plus operator. So we know that here again second number we have and answer also we have 773. And we have to find the first number. And we have answer also. So we will subtract this second number from the answer. The second number is 1 and the answer is 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. We got this number. This is 2. And we can check also 2 plus 1 is 3. Then second line is completed already. And third line, here again there is a blank on the second number. First number is 5 and answer is 7. So we will subtract the first number from the answer. Answer is 7 and the first number is 5. In this way we will get the second number. 7 minus 5 is 2. And you can check also 5 plus 2 is 7. Now we will do third part. 7, 1 blank is there, then 3, 2, 1, 4. Plus operator. Then the answer is 9, 7, 7. Children, you can do 3 plus 4, 7. And here the answer is 7 and second number is 1. So what we will add to 1 to get 7? 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. It's very simple. Now we will do question number 3. Again, it is fill in the blanks. You can see that the number are given in the line 50 plus 30. Then there is a is equal to sign. One blank is there which we have to fill. And then one number is 60. It is, the pattern is similar, but here the numbers were given in the previous question, question number 2, the numbers were given in the 1 digit, and here we have the numbers are in 2 digits, and we have to balance the equation. We will concentrate on the is equal to sign. This is equal to sign. So the number before is equal to sign and after is equal to sign will be same. So here both numbers are given 50 plus 30. We will calculate it. 50 plus 30 is 80. And on the other side, one number is given, that is 60. And we have to make it 80. As I told you that the number before is equal to sign and after is equal to sign should be same. So in this way we will balance the equation. Here we have 60 and on the first side 50 plus 30, this is 80. So we have to make 60 also 80. To make 60 80, there is a need to add some number, and which number we need to add? We will subtract 60 from 80 to get the number. This is 20. So here it is 20. Or you can check the answer by adding this. 20 plus 60 is 80. And here also 80. In this way we have balanced both sides. So in this way we will get the answer. This is first part. Then we will do second part. Second part is 34 plus 42 is equal to 36 plus blank. So first of all we will solve this side. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. This side it is 76, so we have to balance other side also. 36 is given to us, and what number should be here in the box? We will subtract 36 from 76. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 7, 4. The answer is 40. So you can see that 34 plus 42, this is 76, and when we will add 36 plus 40, this also will be 76. We have balanced both sides. Now third part. Here there is a blank. Plus 31 is equal to 22 plus 34. Children, where both numbers are given on which side, first we will calculate that side. add these numbers. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 4, 6. The answer is 56. And on the other side, only one number 31 is given. We have to fill the number in the blank. So we will subtract 31 from 56 to get the answer. The answer is 25. Or you can check it. This is 56. Next question. Number 4. 15 plus dash is equal to, on the other side both numbers are given, 12 plus 16. We will add these numbers first. 2 plus 6, 8. 1 and 1, 2. This is 28. And on the other side only 15 is given. So we will subtract 15 from 28. This is 3 and 1. The answer is 13. Or you can check it by adding 15 plus 13. This is 28 and 12 plus 16. This is 28. We have balanced both sides. Okay. With this we have completed question number 3. Now we have one more question. Question number 4. Here there are story sums. We will do story sums one by one. First I will read the first question. Arman scored 6,872 points in a game and Vivek scored 8,994 points. What was the difference between their scores? Children, you can see, you can read that there are two children and they have scored different points in the same game and we have to find the difference of their points. So difference means we have to subtract the numbers, and you can see also that one child got more points and other child got less point, and we have to find the difference. So we will subtract the numbers. The bigger number is 8,994. We will subtract 6,872 from it. We will subtract the number. 2 from 4, this is 2. Subtract 7 from 9, this is again 2. 8 from 9, this is 1. And here it is 2. The difference of points is 2,122. What was the difference between their scores? The difference between their scores is 2,122. Now we will do second question. Suzanne and Raj reached the finals of a music contest. Suzanne got 6,278 votes and won by 155 votes. Children, we will read it again. Suzanne and Raj reached the finals of a music contest. There are two boys who reached the final of the music contest, but Suzanne got 6,278 votes and won by 155 votes. He got this number of votes and won also. How many votes did Raj get? So here we have to calculate the vote which Raj got. So we will subtract 155 from 6,278. In this way we will write the question. Children, you can see that when we have less digits to subtract, here above line 4 digits are given and in the next line 3 digits are given. So we will balance the line from the right side. Now we will solve it. Subtract 5 from 8, this is 3. Subtract 5 from 7, this is 2. Here it is 1 and 6. So in this way we have got the number of points which Raj got. How many votes did Raj get? Raj got 6,000 6,123 points. Children, with this we are completing the revision of chapter 4. In the next video we will meet with the new chapter revision, that is chapter number 5. Till then, bye everybody. Take care of you.